Here's another question also from our Orange City office. What are the benefits of outpatient knee replacement surgery? We've been doing outpatient knee replacement surgery now for almost a year. That's where you go in and then go home the same day. I think that's been a real advance in knee replacement. You avoid having to go into a hospital, you get therapy that comes to your house, and then you can start outpatient therapy. Typically it is less expensive for those patients on private insurance, and it's worked out incredibly well. So a lot of times it's more the convenience for the patient, avoiding a hospital, as well as being able to go home the same day and not having to spend the night in a hospital or certainly in a rehab center. So we've really had good luck with that. We have not had anybody we have had to admit to the hospital after that surgery, and typically people are home within about 4 to 5 hours. So it's been a real advance in knee replacement surgery, and a lot of that has to do with the anesthetic agents that they're using now and what's called multimodal anesthesia. So both of those have worked out very well, and we've been very happy with our results.